All right, hey guys, it's John, ReelBlue Custom Rods, and now what we're going to do is just finished up making a video on the truth about the Hitena Versa metallic thread and wood color, like that, which is this one here. But what I want to do for you guys is I want to just go ahead and slap together another video for you, and let's see what this looks like. You know, with a guide and some overwrap on top of it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just use this guide here. This is a bit of a smaller guide, but it will work for today. And so we're going to go ahead and put this down. And set that on there. And I think what we want to do is we're going to mess around with a couple colors to see what we think. And I think the first color that I would like to show you guys and for us really to do some discovery learning together with is going to be ProWrap 819, which is this is size D, but it is the gray. I think this is going to look really good, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So let's go ahead and get this keyed up, and we're going to wrap one side of this guide in this awesome gray color. And again, as a reminder, when you put color preserver on here, or excuse me, when you put your finish on here, this gray will darken, but it will become transparent or a little bit translucent unless you do like an overwrap or like a double overwrap. And what I mean by that is you could be able to see the guide foot you know, through the thread once you put the finish on there. So just keep that in mind as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap this pretty quick, and I'm not going to be too worried. Well, maybe I will be. Let's see, I'm not going to be too worried about packing this thread down, but I'm just going to go a little bit and get it on there. But what I'm going to do, I know this guide is small, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a double overwrap with you guys on this. Because I like double overwraps. I definitely wouldn't do it if I was, you know, doing this on a lighter rod. But then again, I wouldn't have a underwrap on a lighter rod. So I'm just going to wrap this up. We'll get this guide on here. All right, and we'll pull this tape off. All right. And so down about there, and then what I'm going to do is bring that thread back over. I'll use my hand right here, or just use your burnishing tool, bring it right over that first strand, and you can just keep wrapping. And then it will just kind of move naturally. Once you get going, it'll just move naturally right in the right spot you want it at. So we're just going to keep wrapping. Again, this is that gray color. ProWrap nylon thread. And I chose this color because when I was doing, you know, showing what I thought some colors that would be good with it, the gray just kind of stood out. So I was really interested to see what it would look like. So we've got that part there. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to tie this down. All right. And loosen that up, tension rod. Okay. Pull my thread through. And we'll cut that loose. Bam. All right. So now what I want to do is I want to try something different. And we're going to see what a different color would look like. And so again, this was 819 ProWrap nylon. That was the gray color. That was also size D. But then we have our green, which I think it's kind of a given the green would work. So let me just check something, guys. Look at that color, the blue with the brown and the silver. All right, so let's go with this. ProWrap nylon 404 or the burgundy / and or Merlot. Which one do we think would go best? I think this one's a given. I think this one will look good on it because of the color. I think this color will look good because this color is going to darken up and be close, not close to this brown once you put the finish on it, but I think it'll be close. I think this one's a given. So I'm going to go with the blue. Let's try the light blue. Let's live on edge here for a minute. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how this comes out. And then you guys let me know what you think. All right, so let's go ahead, get a bite here on the blank. All right, get this thread started. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to bump the camera. All right, so let's go ahead and start turning this thread. All right, let's see how this is going to come out. I hope I'm not wrong here. And if I am, it's okay because I'm going to cut it off anyways. But I just think it'd be cool to see what this blue and brown look like, or this blue color looks like with this brown and silver wrap. And I went over. There we go. All right. Same thing with this blue color. When it comes to putting finish on it, it's going to become translucent a little bit. So if you do a single wrap with this, you're definitely going to see your guide foot underneath the thread once the finish dries. And maybe a little bit if you do a double overwrap. But I love this thread. I use this thread on my heavyweight fly rods for big game fishing. So let's keep going. Right there, I guess. And then let's just bring that over one. Pew. All right, now we'll keep on wrapping. All right. And let's, you know what? I don't know. Let me think here. What does this look like? So this is ProWrap metallic thread 98. Sorry guys, ProWrap metallic thread 9820. I call it gunmetal. I don't remember what the name is, but I like that color. Let's just try something. I'm going to take that out of curiosity. All right, let me go a little bit more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10's a good number. All right, so we'll come down here. going to do 2 wraps. Just to see what this looks like. And okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back here. Right like that. And then what I want to lock that down. Just using my finger really quick, but I'm going to lock that down. All right, and now what I'll do, unlock that thing, take that tape off. And then we'll come back here. I got that camera too low today, sorry guys. Now remember, when I cut this, I want to cut this so I can hide that thread later on. So what I do is I pull it back, create a space, cut. And that wasn't a good one, but now the idea here is to hide it with the pointy end of my burnishing tool. Like that. All right, and so now we'll keep wrapping a little bit here. And now we'll tie it off. All right. Okay, so now we got that tight, cut that off, and that's it. So a couple different colors. Again, we messed around with ProWrap Nylon 819, and then we also messed around with ProWrap Nylon 404, which is the blue color. And then that little tag wrap that or inlay that we laid in there, metallic ProWrap or ProWrap Metallic 9820, which is kind of this gunmetal color. So, hey, I hope this helps, gives you some different ideas about those colors that we were pointing out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments block. Let me know, what do you guys think? The gray or the blue is best with the wood color? I'm impartial either way. I think I kind of like this one. I know I like this one, but I think I kind of like this one. So interested to hear what you guys think. So again, let me know down in the comments block. Appreciate the support as always. Until next time, guys, make sure you watch this next video here. Take care. Bye.